working with him too, because I think we pretty much have the same heart when it comes to like making Christian films. We've talked quite a bit, and he tells me his visions of what he has with coming out to the world with these type of films, and my heart's the same way. So I like how we kind of line up together with that vision. That's actually really special.
So, Mia, has Jacob told you about his feelings for me? Being that you're his little friend and all.
Why would he? He's not interested.
Oh, but he will be.
It's about real life situations. It's about teenagers. It's a family story. So not only, just not one particular, you don't have one particular target audience. The whole family is your target audience.
Hey, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just been having these dreams, and I think it means something.
Scene 92, take 5.
And action.
Hello?
T?
Daddy?
Hey, sweetie.
Hey, Daddy.
I'm on my way home. How's your mom?
Oh, she's been upstairs all day. Can we do that again?
It's really fun to work with the director, Bo Harris. It's fun because, and I'm gonna put him on the spot, but because he thinks he's funny a lot of the times. And he's not really like all that funny at the time, but because he thinks he's funny, then it is funny, you know what I'm trying to say?
And action.
T, could you do me a favor and bring the mail in?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go look at what she's cooking.
Collard greens, baby. Collard greens. Y'all just mad because y'all can't do it like that.
That's your collard
Work with me.
greens? Yeah, you tell your husband that. Hey, really, use your imagination. It's collard greens.
I bet those spices smell good though, and I see if that camera had a nose. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so what's next?
That's why she don't gain no weight.
Run, show you, run!
I had lots of fun.
What do you think?
I think
natural?
Yeah, I think the movie's going to turn out really, really good, though. Can't wait to see it.
Okay, wonderful. Bye-bye.
Bye.
That's for the money, all right.
He's some really good actors, some really talented actors. And I was like, I had to step my game up there. I was like, oh man.
And we're rolling.
Scene 56, take 19.
And action.
Yo, what up, Black?
It's been good.
That's what I like to hear.
Yo, kid. Word on the street, you making big moves, cuz.
Hey, just doing business, yo.